G'day guys, Jason from Muscle Garage and Tuff Mounts. Today we're going to kick beta build in the guts. Well, hey, hopefully. Everything going to plan. We will have it running today. We've had the brakes bled, we've got fluids everywhere, we've done electrical, we've done tests, we've done checks, we've done everything other than pretty well kick it in the guts. So fingers crossed, everything goes to plan and we'll have it running and making some noise by the end of this video. So stay tuned, enjoy, and yeah, see you soon. Whilst we've got the car up in the hoist, I'll just give you a run through what we've done underneath and what it's all about, etc. So, you know, underneath here we've modified the factory fuel tank, tubbed it to the rails, Viking coilovers, modified the panhard rod, new tube lower arms. We used a board water diff, Commodore brakes, all that sort of stuff. Underneath the car's all been rust treated, scraped, clean, tidied, any rust repaired, and then Rhino or Raptor lined from there, so all Raptor lined underneath. Engine is the engine we used to run out of our panel van, which is just an old school 5 litre. It's just been built by the guys at Max. There's a turbo 350 trans. Runs obviously Tuff Mounts, TMT 008 Commodore 5 litre engine mount. We've also used VB to VK Tuff Mount tubular cross member and TMT 002 turbo 350 transmission mount. Exhaust was done by the guys at AAA Exhausts. The headers were recoated and ceramic coated by the guys at Pacemaker or Ceramic Coat Australia. They've done a really nice job, as you'd always expect them to do. Yeah, we're just running a couple of Hooker mufflers on it, so the thing's going to sound pretty good. Pretty obnoxious, but hey, it's going to be cool. Diff done by the guys down at Boss Racing. Thank you very much for doing axles and building it all. Yeah, so they've done a great job. So yeah, big thanks to all those guys. Anyway, we'll get into the video, show a few things that we've done. We'll start off with yeah, priming the oil pump, which is something you guys have to do with the 5 litre. Go for it, make some fucking noise. Nope. Yeah, doesn't smell fueling in there. give it another go. Put the seal down at the gut. Come on, ladies. Crank that around a bit more. So it was around this point that things didn't go to plan. So as you can see here, the injector marker X failed. It filled the cylinder up with fuel. Fortunately, no damage was done. We put a brand new set of Bosch injectors into it. And yeah, we will give it another go. All right, fire and hold. Yep. Still won't blunt. Fuel pumps.
Yeah, fuel pumps are on.
Oh.
2 seconds.
Let's connect the distributor.
Like I said, I disconnected it.
Take 4. There we go, that's better. build is go. Damn, it's loud, it's aggressive, it sounds tough as. I'm hanging to get this thing out for a drive, man. It is fat. Anyway, yeah. So next up, we're going to try and organise a tune for it to just to get it run better. Like it runs well now. Starts on key, but it isn't quite right. You know, it's got a bigger throttle body than it used to have, different cam, and blah blah blah. But regardless, it's fun. It's fat. I want to get it tuned, get it sorted. And look, hopefully I'd really like to get it ready for the Holder Nats over in Heathcote. It'd be great fun. I mean, the thing's going to be slow, but it doesn't matter. It looks good, sounds good. It'll just anyway, stay tuned. Another video coming up once we've got this thing running and on the dyno and sorted, and we'll see how we go from there. Enjoy. Cheers.